Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Traffic Booster, an app produced by Shreyas and Sid. So Traffic Booster, of course, as the name implies, helps you get unlimited traffic to all the sites and offers that are handpicked exclusively for you. And this is done by pretty much replicating their system. So whatever these guys are doing to make money online, so you'll be basically replicating that system to help build your own traffic. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. But then again, I will shortly go into the benefits of this app. But don't forget to also click on the link that is in the description box below, because that link is what takes you to where my bonuses are. Of course, I shall be adding 5 bonuses to this app once you purchase through my link. So guys, don't forget that. Alrighty, I'll take you to the sales page so we'll see what these guys are talking about. So this is the sales page of Traffic Booster. It says replicate our system in just under 60 seconds. 100% brand new traffic system. So these are the benefits right here of this app. It says get automated traffic system, 100% proven results, perfect for newbies and veterans, includes free buyer traffic, includes our best traffic source till date. You don't have to create products or make videos. So basically I think everything will be done for you. And this is a screenshot of one of their accounts. What they are making says this brand new refreshing system is easy to replicate and banks in big commissions more often than any other system. It has also generated over 28,990 in commissions. So from 100% free traffic within 30 days. So this is their sales dashboard. Okay guys, let's okay, so this is what some of the guys are saying about this app. Says everyone loves the result they get from Traffic Booster, both newbies and experienced marketers. So Bill is saying that, he says, I'll read. I love how the product takes a step-by-step approach. I finally have been able to reach my targets and create a strong online presence by using Traffic Booster. Not only has it helped me overcome my doubts, but also started creating crazy sales for me. And Saurab, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing the names right or correctly, says, I'm getting my hands on a product as good as this has been a true deal. This product is designed to work for everyone, as the videos walk us through in detail. Get this app while it lasts. Make your commission sooner than later. Okay guys, that is comments from the users of the app. Says this one is, how is Traffic Booster better than other traffic sources? I'm pretty sure someone has that question right now, and these are the answers that they have given. They said, number 1, most of the other sources are complicated to use. Number 2, vast majority of these sources offered are time consuming. Number 3, you have to figure out how to connect the dots and then start monetizing. See, so the results after using this app or these other sources says users fail and blame themselves, makes you demoralized and lose interest. So pretty much I think they are promising something good right here. It says we are introducing the breakthrough method to get traffic. Okay guys, now I have shown you the sales page. I'll take you guys to the bonuses that I'll be adding today. So I'm adding 5. So the first one you have is for $27.95, and you have access to Polaris Pro. I'm not going to explain any of this bonuses until you buy through my app, so you'll have access and then enjoy all of these bonuses. So the second one, but don't forget that these bonuses are gotten through Jono Armstrong. The second one is access to Jono's Mobley course. The third one is you access Juno's own personal bonus library. And then the fourth one, which is what, $267, you have access to SEO Studio. And the fifth one, of course, access to all vendor bonuses. So guys, if you click on the link that I showed you, the one that is on the description box below, it brings you to my page, of course, this page. And then if you sign in through Warrior Plus to make a purchase, all you need to do is to click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus. My bonuses will be added. If you're buying through JVZoo, where the red arrow is, and then click on that box right there, that link right there, it takes you, my bonuses will be added, guys. So basically, these are the 5 bonuses that I will be adding today once you purchase. Remember, even if it is just the front end that you're buying today, which is just $12.95, all the 5 bonuses will be added. And don't forget that Sid and Shreyas, they also have some bonuses that they have added in this pack. So these are the bonuses that they have added. They have added 4. So basically, you'll be getting 9 bonuses today once you purchase this app. So there's the first bonus that they are giving is brand new marketplace guide, which is almost $2,000. The second one is the lion leads, which is almost 1,500. The third one is you grab email list from a multi-million-dollar social media giant, which is also almost $2,000. The fourth one, which is you make sure your emails go straight to inbox, is almost $1,500. So guys, this isn't a bad deal after all, and you have a 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, now let's talk about the prices and the upsells. So about the prices, the front end is $12.95, like I said earlier, so you have access to the training modules. The second one, which is the upsell one, is the done for you, is $37, so you receive their best performing and tested email swipes. The second upsell, which is bonus giveaway rights, is $27. So so it says, yeah, get giveaway rights so that you can give away the products also away yourself. And then the third one is the third upsell is the two personal sessions of 45 minutes each, which is $297 worth. So this upgrade equips members to get 2 personal one-on-one session with both our creators. And then the fourth upsell, which is the traffic booster reseller rights, is $67. So basically you can also resell and make commissions for yourself. Okay, let's go quickly into the demo video and see how this app really works. So this is the review page. The members area. Once you log in, this is what you get, what you see. And then let's just take a listen to the overview from one of the producers, Shreyas. Take a listen.
Hey, welcome to the members area of Traffic Booster. Congrats on picking up your copy of Traffic Booster, and thank you for picking up a copy. So within the members area, what do we offer? We offer how we can get traffic from both organic and paid ways, and how within each of these subsections, how you can get traffic from multiple different methods. And these methods do not apply to just 1 or 2 particular niches, they apply to every single niche that is out there. So irrespective of the niche that you're trying to make a mark or establish yourself in, you can use our traffic booster method to bring traffic from multiple different sources using both organic or paid methods to your particular product, to promote anything, or to your particular niche. Not only that, we also offer additional upgrades with this traffic booster product. So the first upgrade that you guys get is a complete done for you campaign. So what does a done for you campaign mean? It means that you get access to our secrets and our whatever we have been using to make more than $1,000 every single month. So the email swipes that we use, which bring in $1,000+ every single month, and our product recommendations. So we give you both of these, which you can use for your advantage. The second upgrade that we offer is the bonus giveaway rights. We are giving away bonus giveaway rights to 27 highly converting products. And you can use these bonuses to either promote your other products or to build yourself an email list from which you get residual income 24/7. The third offer that we're offering is a personal session with both myself and Sid. And each session is worth 45 minutes and you get 2 sessions of these. So with this, not only do you get to ask us questions personally on a personal level, but you can also jump ahead of the game and become a leader. You can jump ahead of hundreds of others who are still trying to figure things out and trying to understand and learn these ways. And finally, you get an offer to resell Traffic Booster as your own. So with this, you get to keep 100% of the commissions for yourself, and you can really sell Traffic Booster as your own, and this is a really highly converting product, so you can get to keep 100% of the commissions. So again, thank you for picking up a copy of Traffic Booster, and welcome to the members area. Thank you.
Okay, guys, you've heard from one of the producers of this app, Shreyas. So he has pretty much given an overview of what this app is all about. And guys, don't forget to click on the link that is on the description box below because it takes you to my bonus page. And also click the bell icon for notification, leave a comment if you have questions, and click the like, share, subscribe button. So guys, basically that's all we have today. I'll see you guys in my next video. You do stay safe. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.